How to transfer Call of Duty Mobile guest account to another phone. First of all, once you're on a Call of Duty Mobile guest account here, what you want to do is click the top right hand corner where you see the settings icon. That'll open up the settings menu here where you want to click the top right hand corner where it has the plus button. That's going to bring up this screen where it says link to social account. Click on Call of Duty. That's going to give you the option to sign up for a new Call of Duty account. So go ahead and use an existing email or create a new one to go ahead and create the new Call of Duty account with your password, etc. Tick all the boxes, then click sign up. That's going to be able to link that guest account to an actual email account that's linked to a Call of Duty account. You should see it where it says account linked. Click OK once you've done that. So that's going to give you an account which you can transfer to another mobile device. Then pull up this screen here and click on Call of Duty. Don't click on guest, click on Call of Duty there. Then it's going to say if you already have a Call of Duty account, you can log in. Go ahead and log in. Then you can go ahead and type in that email and password you used for the account you just created. So you could do this on the same mobile device or a different mobile device. So whatever phone you're using, you'll be able to do that. And then once you've logged in with it, you can go ahead and use that Call of Duty account with all the different items you've purchased, etc. in the past on a new mobile device. Leave a like on the video for help and subscribe for more helpful videos.